Good job. Perfect. Slowly. Good. Good job. Oh, that's very nice. That's nice.
My bee right here. Right here. And I'm going to get some paper.
It won't get off.
You know what? Then you can wipe off your brush. Okay. You rinse and then wipe off your brush.